Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Shahrul and I am student of Development Economic at Makassar State University. I will discuss one the economic issues in Indonesia, namely the impact of inflation on economic stability and the welfare of the Indonesian people. Inflation is one of the most noticeable economic issues in Indonesia because it affects or feel directly in people's daily life. Prices of food, fuel, and essential goods often fluctuate, making it difficult for households to maintain their living standard. As inflation rises, society's purchasing power weakens, causing people to spend more on the same good and service. This situation also influences Indonesian business environment on overall economic growth. Therefore, this is essay explain first how inflation affect public welfare, second how it impact the business sector and economic stability, and the last what measures the government has taken to mitigate these challenges. First point, impact of inflation on public welfare. Inflation directly reduces the purchasing power of household because rising prices of necessities reduce access to essential service and the last widening inequality. Rising prices of necessities. When the price of rice, chilies, fuel, and electricity increase, families, especially low-income group, must allocate a larger portion of their income to basic needs. Reduce access to essential service. With higher living costs, spending on education, healthcare, and non-food items decreases significantly, which gradually lower overall living standards. And the last, widening inequality. Vulnerable groups struggle the most, causing a growing gap between socioeconomic classes as the cost of living become increasingly difficult to manage. Second point, impact of inflation on business and the economy. Inflation also affects the business sector and broader economic condition, such as higher production costs, business risk, investment uncertainty, and the last, risk of slowed economic growth. Higher production costs. Raw material and energy become more expensive, forcing micro, small, and medium enterprises to raise selling prices or reduce production. Business risk. Reduced consumer purchasing power can lead to lower sales, financial losses, and potential layoff. Investment uncertainty. Investors tend to hold back expansion plan when inflation is high, increasing economic uncertainty. And the last, risk of slowed economic growth. If inflation persists, Indonesia may experience slower national economic progress due to weakened business activity. And the last point, government effort to control inflation. The Indonesian government has taken several steps to maintain stability, such as market operation and distribution, subsidies for basic needs, monetary policies, long-term strategies. Market operation and distribution. Strengthening food distribution system and conducting market operation help stabilize prices of essential goods. Subsidies for basic needs. Subsidies for rice, fuel, and other key commodities help is to burden on household. Monetary policies. Bank Indonesia adjusts interest rates to stabilize the rupiah and control excessive inflation. And the last, long-term strategies. The government promotes agricultural digitalization, increases domestic food production, and reduces reliance in import to boost strangers' economic resilience. Inflation significantly affects Indonesia's economic stability and public welfare by reducing purchasing power, pressuring small businesses, and slowing overall growth. Government measures such as subsidies, improved distribution, and monetary adjustment are crucial to address these challenges. Moving forward, Indonesia must strengthen domestic production, enhance distribution efficiency, and build economic resilience to maintain stability and protect citizen well-being amid ongoing inflation pressures.